Hey guys, we're back with Skating with Jason, and today I have a fidget spinner video. So what we're going to do is some fidget spinner tricks. So let's get started. So the first one is going to be just a simple trick that if you practice enough, you'll get it. So what you do is do this and then you balance it on your thumb. Boom. See, I told you it's really simple. It's really easy. Oh, I almost dropped. So the next one is going to be, so I have to toss it up in the air and catch it with this hand while it's still spinning. Let's go. Yes, I did it first try. Couldn't do it again. And I think I know my next one. So I have to go here. I better turn the slide on. Go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin it and then see if I can balance it on my nose. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I did it on the tip of my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not going to do that trick. So next one, it's not really a trick, but it just sounds really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin it and then blow on it. So. If you can't hear it, then I'll try and do it louder. If you heard that, then good job. So, let's see what else. And if you did not know, then these fidget spinners or any like fidget toy, will, like, once you fidget with it, then it'll take away your stress like this. I guess this is the end of the video. So comment down below on what else I should do. Like if I should do a video on my soccer team or me playing a soccer game. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna do that today. I'm going to show you a video of me playing soccer in about 2 hours maybe. So I cannot wait for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Bye-bye. Ooh.